Okay, so here we are, March 1st. So we closed out some swing trades, so I wanted to bring it to you, what we did. So one thing when you're looking at Thinkorswim, just so you know, that's P&L day, because we did have this, but that's definitely not the P&L that we made on that. I'll show you in the log what the actual P&Ls came out to on these trades. So the Algo actually indicated the trade way back here. I did not get in at $26. That would have been awesome. If you're subscribed to my swing trade alerts, then you have all this data, so you know exactly what happened and what went down. But we got in back here right after the election, and Joe Biden was confirmed just based on what that cabinet was talking about doing with the oil industry. So we decided, you know what? Yes, we should have got in back here, 26 bucks, but we'll get in here at 39 and still make a bunch of money. So I let everybody know that I was doing that, and then jumped in right here, 39.22. And was able to get out today, see zero positions. We closed out that today, and I'll show you exactly how that looks in a little bit on the log. But man, how epic that would have been. But there's a lot of potential. I'm waiting for another chance to get in. I mean, we got some potential here. A lot of upside to still go, but I'm going to wait for a new algo setup, and then I'll get back in and just keep on riding this thing. So if you're on my alerts list, be on the lookout, because we'll be keeping an eye out on this. This is epic. Look at this move. It's awesome. All right, let's go to the next one that we closed out today. USO. I know it looks pretty much the same, but they are a little bit different. So again, you know, we had an opportunity to get in back here based on the way this ticker plays, and yeah, I mean, that would have been awesome to get back in around 28 and rode it up to 41, but whatever. We got in at 34, same day on that 8th or just after, and still went for a nice ride. So pretty good deal. But again, I mean, look at all the upside. So we're waiting for that next opportunity to get back in, but we're out. You can see zero, and of course that's just a day because it was on the down day that I jumped out. Let's see here. Okay, and then our last one that we had, another oil play, WTI. So this got some nice boost once they canceled Keystone Pipeline, that's for sure. So, but again, you know, it's looking like it could be coming to the end of its run potentially, but you never really know. But the reason why we jumped out of this, so those other ones, let me go back real quick. USO, see this red showing up, and then this is starting to indicate. This is starting to look like a potential for a nice correction. So this algo is almost going to be telling me to short it. So we're really close to that short zone. I don't short these tickers, but if I did, it would be pretty close to getting into a short. So that's why we jumped out on this pullback. Yeah, it could just be a little pullback and go higher, and then if it does, I'll go indicate that. But right now, this is looking like it's going the wrong direction. So WTI, on the other hand, still looks like it's going the right direction, but I jumped out. I mean, by a long shot, actually looks pretty good. I jumped out to capitalize on some nice gains up here. You know, I won't know it's going the wrong direction for a while, so I will be pretty far down from where I'm getting out right now. So I wanted to capitalize on as much profit as possible, and it's this right here. I don't want to be in any tickers when earnings calls happen and stuff like that. Companies making announcements about their financials and all that. You just never know what's going to happen. So I don't want to be a part of that. So that's why we jumped out. And then afterwards, you could always get back in, but I'll wait. And again, if you're subscribed to my swing trade alerts, I'll let you know what I decide to do when I decide to do it, as always. And then you'll be in the know. All right, so yeah, so there's the swing trades that we closed out today. Let's see how those look in the log and what they actually did for us. Okay, so here we are in the swing trade log. And if you haven't seen my logs and my trade plan and all that stuff, there'll be a link at the end of this video so you can check out my trade plan, which goes over the log and how I use it and what I'm doing with it and all that. So you can see that there. So here we are with the log. So here's our trades that we just closed out today. So that made us a nice $1,469. So we're a little red in February, just a little bit, because of trades we're actually holding from last year. There was a couple of trades we were holding for quite a while. So they finally hit their stops and we got out, all good. But they hit in February when we didn't have nothing else going on. So it became a big red month there. But all good, back on track, green. And then if we go over here and look at the dashboard, March. So right here, March, nice way to start March. Green on the month with the swing trades. This is actually showing you futures trades and day trades, but day trades, we actually had a little losing day today. So this kind of helped us out with that, making this look nice, good start. And then the scaling ladder. Okay, so looking at the scaling ladder over here for our swing trades, we're going off the combined account total. So we're at 1% is what we're starting with. So we're risking around 290 right now. The swing I just entered into, I think it was like 275 is what I ended up taking on it risk-wise. But basically we're in this general zone right now. So we got a couple bars in. So as long as we keep on making some money, we'll be able to grow this thing and slowly boost up our risk. So we'll start making a little bit more money per trade. So anyway, yeah, and actually the risk I'm in, the trade I just alerted today that I'm in, which I'll show you when it closes, it's pretty awesome. Like I'm risking 275 to make 1,300 on it. So it's pretty good risk reward on that one. So hopefully that'll work out for everybody. But all right, so yeah, so that's where we're at with the swing trade. Just want to give you an update, and we'll see you on the next one.